Hi, I'm Jane Gogreve, and I'm going to take you on a tour of my pediatric speech pathology website. So the first one is just my homepage, saying that this website's about speech language pathologists and for clients and their parents who may have questions or be looking for resources. So the All About Me page, that's just kind of about myself. I'm a senior at Louisiana State University studying speech language pathology, and my plans are to go to grad school and become a speech language pathologist officially. And my resource pages. This one's just some links that I think could be helpful for parents or SLPs. Whoever views this website could definitely find helpful tips on any of these resources. And then Jane's Choice. These are my favorite resources that I think would be very beneficial for parents or clients or anything. This one, Mommy Speech Therapy. This is a blog for just, it's a mom who has a child who goes to speech therapy, and it's very helpful. And then YouTube is one. I put my favorite YouTube person down here. She is very good with articulation disorders, and she has a whole YouTube channel, so I thought just putting a link to one of her videos would be helpful to find her and learn some helpful tips. Technology projects, I have my digital story, which was on Marlee Matlin. Marlee Matlin is a deaf actress, and she's really just an advocate for deaf culture and deaf people all over the world. She's very inspirational and an awesome role model to look up to. She teaches a lot of people about what it's like to be deaf. PLN and PLE. PLN is just a personal learning network, and it's just who you would network with in your field. So, I have my clients and my different therapists that would work on my team, and we could communicate through social media and things like that. And then a personal learning environment is like what type of clinic or classroom environment you would have. This is a chart on blogs, curation tools, and microblogs. We looked up some blogs, and I did a reflection on blogs. And then curation tools are like Pinterest or Symblue, and I did a reflection on Digo. And then microblogs is like Twitter or Facebook, which is very helpful in the world of speech language pathology because you're always looking up new things on Twitter, new therapy ideas, stuff like that. So then I made my own blog down here, and I'll take us to it. Okay, so my blog is called Speech Therapy with Pediatrics. I made 3 posts. The first one's just about myself. The second one is about copyright, fair use, and permissible amounts, which was very beneficial. After I read the article, I didn't know that my whole life I've been not using copyright correctly and maybe not doing things the right way. So I'm glad I know what's considered fair use now. And my third one is how to use wikis in a classroom, which is very beneficial because it's just a good way to share tips and certain ideas and really helpful. And then on the side, I have some links just about planning therapy and different holiday things that could be beneficial in a classroom or a clinic. So back to my website. So next is my website evaluation. And pretty much we just got to pick a website that had to do with our major and that would be helpful. And I picked SLP Solution. It's the same lady, Carrie Clark, who did those YouTube videos that I really liked. And the website's super awesome. The only thing that isn't the best is there's a free version of the website, but then there's also, you can subscribe to a paid version of the website, which is obviously better. So, but there is a free version, so for parents and therapists that want to check out her website. It's a super awesome website. And then my mobile app was Google Expeditions, and Google Expeditions is really cool. It's a way for teachers or anyone to kind of create an educational field trip for their students, like while they're still in the classroom, the child feels like they're there. And I think it's really cool for students because it'll really help them get involved in the classroom. Evaluations, Apple Teacher certification. So I earned 8 badges on Apple Teacher, and I'm officially Apple Teacher certified, which is exciting. And then my screencast, which you're watching right now. All right, well, thank you for watching. Bye.